Hey, I'm Ewan, and today we are here to talk about the Trask Bitchin Bolts kits. Now, let's talk a little bit about Trask before we get into these. The founder, Nick Trask, is from New Zealand and specializes in American V-twin high upgrade performance parts, and actually moved here to bring his business to the US, and they are now located in Phoenix, Arizona. So what you can see in front of me is the 10 different bolt kit options that is looking directly at the touring segment of Harley-Davidson motorcycles. This is touring bikes from 2017 to 2025, maybe later on models, depending on what happens to the M8 platform. But you can buy all of these bolts together like you see them here on the table as a set, or you can buy each kit individually, which is really nice. These are really going to apply to you building a performance bagger or a show bike and have that real nice icing on the cake for that finishing touch on a really nice build. I say that because these are made from grade 5 titanium, which is incredibly lightweight and incredibly durable and is meant to handle the higher stress from added power. It's also incredibly corrosion resistant, so it's going to stand the test of time. Like I said, there are 10 different kits here, so there are things ranging from like motor mount kits to peg mounts to then just different engine covers. So you can really pick what you need. If you plan on tearing down your entire bike and doing a build from the ground up, you can get all of them together and have them ready for when you go to start assembling everything back. Or if you plan on tackling different components one at a time, say you're going to just work on the clutch this weekend, you can get just the kit for that. And then as you go to reinstall, you have the bolts needed and you can break it out piece by piece. Another thing that I really like about these is that they do utilize a 12-point connection for sockets. It's going to help you prevent from stripping, which is really great because some of these are going to have to be torqued down pretty heavily. With that being said, you will need a set of 12-point sockets to actually install these bolts on your motorcycle. And when it comes to installing, one thing that I really love about these bolts is it's available on our website, it's available from Trask, it's available when you purchase these. There is an included instruction manual for every single bolt you see here. It is going to tell you the exact torque spec, it's going to tell you whether you need Loctite or not, and whether you need red or blue Loctite, which is just such a great amount of information, especially when working with critical components. I also just really love the aesthetic of these. It's going to be the nice finishing touch. The titanium looks fantastic. The 12-point connections look great. If I had to pick one dislike about these, it's really just price point. But hey, it costs to go fast. So that's just part of what you're signing up for when building a performance bagger, and I'm sure you already know that. But if you have any further questions about the Trask Bitchin Bolts, go ahead and click the link, which will bring you to our product detail page, and you can see what other riders are saying in their experience using these bolt kits. If you have further questions, go ahead and give our customer service team a call. They're all riders just like you, and they'd be happy to help you get set up. Now, I'm Ewan, and I appreciate you spending the time with me talking about Trask bolts today. I'll see you out there.